CCTV installation ba hanap mo? Dito ka na sa Techie Works. Be right at the place you need to be. We offer different quality brands of surveillance technology to keep an eye on what's going on around your business. We have door access, biometrics, wireless home automation, electric fence, access point, and more. 7 days replacement and 1-year warranty. Bring in the advanced solution for your home and work security with Techie Works. Best in after sale. For inquiries, please contact 0918-593-8907 and look for Sunday Vejidor or send your message on Facebook at Techie Works.